Good morning, my YouTube family. Are you guys ready for another Motivation Monday? I know I am. Look at this bottom cabinet. Oh my goodness, you guys. This I call out of sight and out of mind because we just open it, toss it in, and close the door and forget about it. But not anymore. We are tackling this mess right now. I know we all have a few junk drawers in our kitchen, but do y'all have messy cabinets like this in your kitchen? I am clearing out all of this so it can be a quick access of items for our fur babies and other items we need quick access to, like flashlights, lighters, the N95 masks, and other needed items over time. We'll still keep it organized in these baskets.
Every time that I look back, I see my fortune. Would you react to me?
Alright, here it is, all clean and clear, but now I'm going to go ahead and vacuum it out with our Dyson V7. Great vacuum, you guys. I highly recommend this. Then I'm going to use my favorite all-purpose spray by Method in the lavender scent. Absolutely love this stuff. It smells so good, cleans so well. Y'all have to get it.
Doubted all that I could do, knowing what I need to do. All I can say, the word is thank you. I think it's what you need to push away from the shore, amongst the waves. Exactly where I wanna be. I am where I wanna be. Remember the start.
Okay, here's all of the stuff that I ended up pulling out. It's funny how it doesn't look like much until it's all over your floor. Look at this pile. All right, let's declutter, clean, and organize this and get it ready.
So much differently, 'cause I am different to you. Every time that I look back, I see my fortune. Would you react to me? We are reacting. So much differently. I am who I'm meant to be. I am who I'm meant to be. Over and out again. My future needed clarity, so I could see how you react, how you react to me. So much differently. I am different to you.
Y'all ready for this? Now that is beautiful. Look how it turned out, you guys. Oh, and by the way, these were dollar baskets from Dollar Tree, so I only spent $3. That is awesome. You guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being a part of our YouTube family. We're so glad to have you here. Give this video a thumbs up before you leave. Please consider subscribing to our channel and do follow us on Instagram, Life on the Savage Farm as well. So I guess I will see you guys again right back here with a brand new video.